What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Alyssa Morrison, or the Alyssa Morrison. If you are new here, be sure to click that thumbs up button if you want to see more from me. Make sure that you are subscribed down below, and let's just go ahead and get started. I am bringing you something a little bit different. I am sharing with you my healthy-ish Trader Joe's haul. I am making a bigger effort this week to plan out some meals and make an effort to eat something that is not top ramen for every meal. So let's just go ahead and get started. So first off, I got the chicken breast little frozen situation. I love to just throw this in the crock pot. It's so easy. It takes like very minimal effort, and then you have chicken for like the whole week. I got 2 of the lightly salted edamame. I am so obsessed with eating these for a snack or with a meal. I love these. Also a really good source of protein. This organic jasmine rice. I have only tried the brown rice version, but this just sounded so good to pair with some of that frozen chicken that I have. Some Joe's dark roast coffee. My favorite is the medium roast coffee, but they were actually out, so I'm gonna give this a try. It's super inexpensive. This whole thing was like $3.99 I think, and it lasts me for like a really long time. Next I have some romaine lettuce. I am planning on using this with some of the cowboy and quinoa veggie burgers that I already have. I'm so obsessed with those. If you guys haven't tried those from Trader Joe's, they're so freaking good. Some Brussels sprouts. I've actually never made Brussels sprouts, but I thought I would try. I'll probably just like roast them on a pan or something. Bananas. I don't love bananas, but I do like to wait until they're ripe and then freeze them for protein shakes or smoothies. This package of lemons. I am planning on using this in lemon water every morning, or also I have some frozen tilapia fillets, and I like to mix lemon and butter and garlic and just sprinkle that on there. I got 2 big russet potatoes, and then to go along with that, to make mashed potatoes with green, what are these? Green onions and a little butter. Some marinara sauce. I love this for just like any pasta, or I also got the ingredients to make a pizza, so if I need extra sauce, I will just have this on hand. Got this pizza dough and the pizza sauce. This is such a fun idea. I'm so excited to try this out. I also got some all-purpose flour for this purpose to help with the pizza dough and like roll it out and stuff. I've never actually made a homemade pizza, I don't think, so I'm really excited about that. I got some spinach and some mushrooms. I got the mushrooms for the pizza, as well as sauteing these 2 with some balsamic vinegar. I'm gonna try that out, new recipe. For snacking, I got some baby carrots and these little tomatoes on the vine. Whenever I'm craving something salty, I will just grab a tomato, slice it open, pour some salt on, and it's like my favorite snack in the whole world. Does anybody love tomatoes like that, or is that like a weird thing? Got these 2 instant ramen, chicken flavored. I am obsessed with top ramen. It's my favorite meal in the whole world, even though it's not technically like a meal. Just got these to have on hand. Hopefully I won't reach for them all the time, but I just love these. These next 2 items are something that I do not consider like healthy, but it's just nice to have these around. This is a chicken pot pie. I have never tried this before, but it's really cold and wintry outside, and so I just thought this sounded like such a warm, nice, cozy meal. Got some fish sticks because I am 6 years old. Some Greek yogurt, which is actually not for me. This is actually for Rocco. Got this little, like, it's called a lick mat, and you put either Greek yogurt or peanut butter or something in it and then freeze it, and it keeps them like busy and entertained, and it's like a little treat for them. So I wanted to try that out. Apparently Greek yogurt is okay for dogs, has like good probiotics and stuff, so we'll try it out. Got these 2 Go macro bars. This one is peanut butter chocolate chip, and this one is coconut almond butter and chocolate chips. These are really good. I think that they have really clean ingredients for a little snack here and there. And finally, I got the dark chocolate covered power berries. These are my freaking weakness. I think I go through like 2 bags a week. It's really a problem, but I love these so much better than like the Brookstone, the little acai berry things. These are just the best treat, and I always just have these on hand. I have such a sweet tooth, and these just Let me know what your favorite Trader Joe's items are down below. I would love to hear. I feel like there's so many things that I just haven't even ever noticed there, and there's always something new to try, and I just love Trader Joe's. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure that you are subscribed, and I will see you next week.